Hello, welcome back. In this video, I just want to share about one of my favorite MacBook applications. This is called the boring notch. So normally we have this kind of notch, so we can transform into beautiful and interactive notch like this one. So look closely. So we can control the Spotify music playback from here. Also, we can also see the lyrics. We can control our calendar events in here. We can even preview our webcam before you join the meeting. Okay. They also support this temporary file sharing drop zone. Yeah, you can see the battery percentage in here. So I just disable the about the false battery percentage to save the page. Then another one more things is uh, we can normally if we increase the brightness, decrease the brightness, increase the volume, decrease the volume. So above HUD, we can replace and integrate into the notch. So yeah, so I did from this application. Okay. Okay. I will show you how to install from their website. Okay, let's go. This is their official website, boring.net. So look closely, boring.net. We can easily download from here the UI. So just click download and save. Yeah, only small file size. If you want to install from brew, so we have to go to their GitHub repo. Then just go down. The option one is we already did. Just click download and install as usual. But one thing to consider is after we install, we have to run this command to allow by the Apple because the developer don't plug their application into the Apple stores. So they also don't have a Apple developer account. So this is also costly. So they avoid that one. So we can easily bypass here. It's no problem. But for me, I use this option too here. Okay. So this brew command, brew install cast, and this one. So just copy and paste into your terminal and click enter. If you don't have brew, you have to install by going this website. Then you have to install that one. Okay. So if you install from brew, no need to run this command. So brew handle all the things. So after running this command, you can start using and calling boring, yeah, boring notch. So maybe we have to allow the permission for the first time. Okay, before going that, maybe you can also see their promo videos. And yeah, this is a features I already show you. So I don't want to repeat that one. Okay, let's go to the settings. Okay, just click this one and yeah, setting. This is the application settings. We have to look closely. So for general, maybe you can easily on and off. So this is based on your preference. If you want to run on the logging, so you can give the permission. So if you want to show on all the display, so if you use external display or like that, maybe you can easily setting here, configure the settings. For the appearance, you can also control as you like. For the media, they give the options for Apple Music, Spotify, and YouTube Music. And I'm the Spotify user, so I use this one. And you can even control this playback buttons and yeah, like this one. You can even control for that one as you like. So you have to give the permission for calendar usage and also the HUD usage. Yeah, for me, like battery percentage usage, something like that, you can easily click on and off. Okay. So they also support their shortcuts. I will show you. So if you click Command Shift I, so you don't need to use your trackpad or mouse to go to this area, notch area. You can easily Control Shift I to see that one, or Control, Command Shift H for just seeing the sneak peek. Maybe what sound is playing right now, something like that. Okay, maybe you got the idea for that one. So I normally don't use this kind of shortcuts. So I just click here, then just click next or seeing the lyrics, something like that. Okay, that's all. So I just want to share this useful application with my viewers. So I will also share others cool application so that I use daily in my Mac. So bye bye for now.